I'm Seth Bumpus, and my journey started at Rend Lake College.
Lift your eyes off the ground, you've only begun. Rising up through the clouds.
When I started at Rend Lake College, I was in the welding program, and that was from 2005 to 2007. And I actually won a welding scholarship. The scholarship really helped because I really enjoyed welding. I liked it, and I wanted to learn more about it. And this was going to really expand my horizon as far as my skills and my learning. And Rend Lake was known for having a great program. So I was excited about doing that and starting my future. So now I know that I was in welding, and now I'm a journeyman lineman and I build power lines. So you might be wondering how that works, but we had blueprint classes. And if you're in any type of construction at all, you're going to deal with blueprints. And so I was able to learn all about blueprints, how to read them, the different symbols, and how to construct jobs from that. And that's what you use from day to day out here on line construction. It's the same thing, just building things differently. My most memorable time is really about an instructor, Dave Smith. Dave was my teacher. I went mostly during the day, and Dave taught the day classes. And Dave is a phenomenal welder. He's funny. He's got a houseboat that is amazing. He told us about his trips that he takes up and down, him and his wife and his friends. But Dave was just a phenomenal welder. He could teach you. He wasn't afraid of anything. You could put pipe in a 6G, 5G, 3G position, and Dave could weld it like a pro every single time. And so I really appreciate him. We also had Frank Fenton. I don't know if he's still around. He was a great man. We had Petey, and we all had a great crew. But I definitely remember Dave and all that he taught me and all that he's done for Rend Lake College. If you're contemplating attending Rend Lake College, I would tell you that you need to do it. It is a great college for whatever market you're going into, whatever study you're going into. It is a great starter. It was very local for me. It was very affordable, and especially today with college, that's what we're looking for. I mean, prices are sky high. There's scholarships that you can get. They work with you on your program, and if you're working, they'll work with you. It's very versatile. It's just a great experience, great people to work with. I would definitely strongly consider choosing Rend Lake College as your college.